What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. In today's video I will be making a Wakizashi. So basically, normally for the past 3 years now, on the 4th of July my brother makes a brisket, and the first year I made a knife to cut the brisket with, and the next year he made a knife to cut the brisket with, and now it's my turn this year. So currently it's July 3rd and tomorrow is gonna be 4th of July. So I'm gonna forge out a Wakizashi, and I'm going to start today and finish it. It's going to be around 15 inches is what I'm going for. It doesn't matter if it's more or less, I don't really care. I'm just going to go by feel. I'm going to forge it out of leaf spring. This particular piece right here that I found, that was in one of my buckets. It's pretty long, probably close to 20 inches, maybe longer. This is just a chunk of leaf spring. I'm going to forge out the Wakizashi out of this, and you know what? We don't have very much time, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's the next day. It's currently July 4th. And I left this guy overnight in some vinegar to help get the scale off and, you know, soften it up. So now I'm gonna prep it for heat treat. So we're gonna grind in as much of the profile as we can and go on ahead and heat treat. Alright guys, so the knife is out of the temper. All I have to do now is give it a finished grind and clean it up a bit. So before I do that, I'm going to actually start on the handle. Normally on a handle like this kind, I'm supposed to, you know, notch it out and sit it in there for, you know, both pieces. I'm going to be using Paduke. But since I don't have that much time, I'm actually just going to take a piece of this micarta, which is the same thickness as my tang, and I'm gonna cut a piece out and epoxy it in here and notch out the piece that I need. I think it's gonna look pretty nice and it'll save me a lot of time, so that's the route I'm gonna go. Alright, while this guy right here dries up, I'm going to start doing the finishing on the handle. You gotta take it through its grip progression and then we'll hand sand maybe. Alright guys, so the blade is ready. Next up is the handle. It's glued up. It fits in there just right. The pin holds it in place. So time to shape it up. I got a rough sketch right there of what I'm going to do. A little oval handle. So let's shape it up. Alright guys, so the handle is on. This thing is looking mighty fine. All that's left to do is sharpen it and put some oil on the handle and we're good to go, which is great because I'm supposed to be gone like now. So just gonna do that. There's plenty of stuff I wish I could do on it, but I'm out of time, so that's gonna have to be it.